Hey everybody, my name is Brenda Tringali. I'm a professional organizer and owner of At Your Fingertips Organizing. I want to wish you a fantastic 2020 that's filled with great health, more clarity and focus for you to achieve your goals, and less clutter to distract you from your goals. So did you know that January is Get Organized Month, or AKA Go Month? Well, it is according to NAPO. NAPO is an acronym for the National Association of Productivity and Organizing Professionals, and I just happen to be a member of NAPO. I need your help. So I want to donate some of my time to help a worthy Myrtle Beach area nonprofit or Grand Strand nonprofit to get more organized and more efficient so they can better serve their community. So I'm running a contest. I'm calling it Get Organized Grand Strand, or AKA Go Grand Strand. But I need your help getting the word out. So if you know of a nonprofit that could use the help of a NAPO professional, that's me, and an organizing nerd, that's also me, please watch the rest of this quick video. All the information they need is on my website. My website address is atyourfingertipsorganizing.com, and it's on the page called Giving Back. But to make it easy, I'll put a link down below in the comment section. All the details they need are there, but let me share some of the highlights with you. There are 5. Number 1, if there's a nonprofit that's near and dear to your heart and you want them to know about this, please share my video with them. Number 2, or you can share it in general. Number 2, if there's there's a self-nomination form on my website page for the nonprofit to complete. Again, I'll put the link below to that page. Number 3, on that self-nomination form, they have to briefly describe a specific project or goal that they want to achieve. They can't just say, we want to get more organized. As I tell my husband, I'm not a mind reader. You need to be more specific. I need to be able to visualize what the goal is. So let me just give you a few examples of goals. So one could be to organize or label their supplies, or maybe even their paperwork, their digital files, so that employees and volunteers could quickly and easily find what they need. If it's the case of supplies, I would probably bring my trusty high-speed label maker with me for that particular project. Maybe it's to digitize critical forms or information that they need to access when they're out of the office. And in a case like that, again, this nerd would bring her high-speed digital scanner with her for that particular project. And last but not least, maybe it's to create a procedure, a process manual for employees, volunteers to reference so that things are done correctly, consistently, and so no one wastes any time trying to figure things out. So those are just a few examples. If you or if they have any questions, please call me. My number is there, 603-490-6062. Number 4, they have to have the permission of the nonprofit's leader in order to enter the contest. I don't want the executive director or director, whoever it is, to be surprised. And last but not least, the deadline to enter. So they have to submit the entry form by the end of this month. So that would be Friday, January 31st. They have to submit it by 11:59 p.m. to be exact. Shortly after that, I will select and announce the winner at the beginning of February, and then I will coordinate with the winning nonprofit to complete the project after that. So this is the second year in a row that I'm running this contest, and I'm just so excited. The winner last year was Champion Autism Network, which is a great nonprofit in this area. They do fantastic work. So what was their project? They had an office that was not as functional as it could be because of supplies and promotional materials, etc., that got in the way. So with the help of one of their fantastic interns, we were able to transform a room into a multifunctional space. So what do? We made the desk and computer that were already in there accessible, easily accessible for anyone who needed to use it. But we also completely reorganized and labeled their inventory. So everything they needed was, of course, at their fingertips. It was great. So I am very excited. I cannot wait to help yet another nonprofit save time, save money, and become more efficient so they can better serve their community in the new year. So please help me by sharing this video, and please know that I'm so grateful to you for watching, for all of your support. Until next time, thank you so much. Take care. Bye.